So here I have my little key, so cute. I'm gonna put it in the door and open it now. And welcome to my apartment here at JCU. And to the left we have one of the rooms. We have a double over here. They have their bathroom just peeking in. And straight ahead is the kitchen. Lots of space here. Hey! And then we have our fridge, lots of food in the fridge. We just went grocery shopping, trying to fill it up. And a little freezer down below. And our electric kettle, random knob, and a lot of different basic cups and plates that they supplied us. We have our sink and then our washing machine down below, a little microwave. And here's my little cabinet. Barely have anything in there yet. Definitely gonna fill it up as semester goes. Have a nice little gas stove. Kind of hard to handle, but we can make it work. Oven, and then our trash can, 5 different trash cans. Europe is very environmentally friendly. And a lovely view outside. Can open the window, look outside, see the hotel to the right, the terrace, and a little bit of the botanical gardens to the left. And then we have our room, which is a triple. A lot of my different posters and my calendar on the wall. Have a big drawer where I can store my stuff. I have a lot of art supplies and school supplies, miscellaneous stuff. And then I have a little bit of storage space underneath my bed where I store my shoes and the comforter and sheets that they provided us when we moved in. Then we have the big door, look outside and see more of the botanical gardens. I'm sure it looks beautiful when it is spring, but right now it's January, so it's pretty cool. And then a huge closet, sliding doors, see some of my clothes, and you slide it over and they have more shelf space and drawers. A little mini drawer right by the bed. I have our living room, a few supplies in the corner, another big open window that you can open up and look outside. Let me close this up. Then we have our lamp in the corner and drying racks because there's no dryer here. And our bathroom. Bidet, which is completely different from American style here. And our shower. And yeah,